People are saying buy it, clear your sunburn, clear, but this product can also give you more sun damage. Hello, I know you're looking for a video or review about this product. You want to buy it or you're looking to use it. You must have seen the video all over the TikTok or Instagram going viral. People are recommending it for you, telling you that buy it, it will work for you, it will help to clear this, it will help to clear that. In this video, I will tell you my honest review of this product. I have used it. Look at it. It's almost more than half. I have used it. I'm going to tell you how this product works, the real honest review, my personal experience with this product, and I will also teach you how you use it safely to avoid the problems I faced while I was using this product. Keep on watching. Make sure you watch to the end, and also subscribe and give me a thumbs up, like, and put on your notification button so that YouTube will push out my videos to others that might like it, and also help my YouTube dream, please, and push out my content out there. Welcome back. This product contains two active ingredients, which is glutathione and vitamin C. If you want to buy this product, you will see one like this without any logo on the body, and you see another one with an orange logo here. I will put the picture on the screen so that you see the two. I will not say any of them is fake because both of them works perfectly. But what I'm going to discuss is the ingredients this product contains and how you're going to use it safely. Product contains two active ingredients, which is glutathione and vitamin C. Let me start with glutathione. Glutathione is good with skin brightening. That is why it will brighten your face when you use this product. Glutathione may help to reduce melanin production, leading to a brighter and more even skin tone. It can also help you to fade your hyperpigmentation and dark spot. Another thing glutathione can do for you, glutathione is also antioxidant powerhouse. Combats the free radicals, which helps to damage your skin cells. When your skin cells is damaged, it will show the signs of aging. Glutathione contains antioxidant. We will call it antioxidant powerhouse. Glutathione can also serve as detoxification support. Glutathione plays a role in detoxification, which can potentially improve your overall skin or facial health, because this thing is this is a facial cream, so it will help to improve your the skin of your face, your overall facial skin health. Another super active ingredient in this product is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a collagen production booster. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, provides skin structure and elasticity. It can also help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Another thing vitamin C can do for you is it brightens and tones your skin. It can help brighten out your skin and give you an even toned skin. Another thing is vitamin C can also be a UV protection enhancement. Why not a sunscreen replacement? I'm not advising you to use vitamin C to replace your sunscreen. Vitamin C may also offer additional protection against sun damage. When these two products is combined, they work in synergy to even give you the overall protection. That's why this product is going viral. People are recommending it. People are saying buy it, clear your sunburn, clear. But this product can also give you more sun damage. It can cause you melasma. It can give you sunburn under your eyes. That's why I'm reviewing this product, so that you that wants to buy and use we hear my personal experience with this product. This is very active product. This product is very active. If you are the type that are looking out to brighten out your face, look on your face, have a even skin tone, you buy this. The mistake, this thing gave me sunburn. The mistake I made while I was using it, I was using it every day as a normal sunscreen. No, you don't use this product like that. If you want to use this product and get the benefit of this product, you're going to use this product twice a week or 3 times in a week. At night only. Use it at night. Then you get yourself a moisturizing face cream, a calm face cream like that doesn't contain any active ingredients that you'll be using every day. While you use this as a treatment at night only, then you get yourself a very strong sunscreen that will help to protect you from the work of the, because why this thing is working is bringing out the new skin tone and evening out your skin tone. If you don't protect yourself very well while using this, that is why it's going to give you more skin damage instead of working or protecting you or clearing out your sunburn like this said. If you want to use this product, go ahead and buy it. Follow the process I told you. Use it 2 or 3 times in a week, only at night. Then during the day, make sure you go out with your sunscreen, apply your sunscreen, put it in your handbag, go out with your sunscreen, reapply at least 2 times during the day so that you protect your face from being damaged. If you did not follow the process, you are going to damage your skin instead of repairing it with this product. If you want to go and buy it, go and give it a try. I also have my link to Jumia store on my description. You can buy from Jumia so that I can get a little commission. It will not harm you. If you are looking to buy this product, go ahead and buy it. Use it and treat yourself. Glow your skin like mine. And also remember to apply your sunscreen always. Thank you for watching till the end. Remember to give me a like, share to your friends that might like to use this product. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Bye bye.